channel, guys. Today we're going to be going on an adventure down to the Chase Center. We're going to be doing a little bit of mobbing downtown as well. I'm going to try to take you guys through some scenic parts of San Francisco. Seems like there's a lot of traffic today on the roads, so we're just going to try to be as safe as possible, not get into any fender benders or accidents, and keep that record clean. Let's do it. Made it to Oracle Park. This is where the San Francisco Giants play. And funny enough, both stadiums, or the arena is very close to Oracle Park. It's actually up the road from it. Hopefully there's not too much traffic today. That's what I'm praying for. This way first. Yeah, there's so many cool things to see on this side of the city. All right, enough sightseeing. Let's get to the Chase Center, show you guys some views, and then we can probably get out of here. Oh, interesting. Pretty much there, guys. Chase Center is right up ahead. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna turn here. And here we are, finally at the Chase Center. Seen the Warriors play here a few times. Oh wow, I have never seen this side of the Chase Center at all. This is awesome. Got the EUC riders out today. It's pretty hype. A lot of cops around here. It's making me a little bit nervous, but we aren't doing anything illegal. Literally riding our e-bike. What's up? How's it going? Is that V13?
V14.
V14, okay, cool. That's awesome. I've been looking into getting one of those things, but I was so worried about the time it's going to take to learn how to ride it.
About 3 weeks. I'm sure you'll get it in less.
How long have you been riding one for?
Almost 5 years.
5 years, damn, okay. What do you think would be like a good starter?
There's the S19. If you want to learn. But if you want to learn, huh?
V20.
Yeah. There's the 2 wheels on it. Yeah. That's
two wheels?
Yeah.
What? Like side by side?
Yeah, like close to each other.
Oh,
It's a learning world.
okay, okay.
You'll outgrow it fast.
These are a little bit more stealthy. I'm so afraid of getting pulled over on this thing.
We are breaking down on these. From what Jeff was telling me. So.
Yeah.
So we're heading back towards Daly City.
Oh.
That's where we started.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you guys. What's your name?
Lloyd.
Lloyd, Elliot. Nice to meet you. See you guys.
All right, be safe out there.
Will do. Alright. So we got to learn a little bit about EUCs. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, we got police all over. Let's try to keep a low profile. We're gonna kick this thing in eco and take our time. That is the plan today, folks. All the police academy is here. That makes a lot of sense, man. Anyway, thank you for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. We're on the way to 500 subs. I think for next video, I'm going to attempt to take this bike on the Caltrain with me, take it to the South Bay, and probably do some off-road trails. So stay tuned for that content. Still trying to figure out how I want to do a range test on this e-bike. One thing I've been really seriously considering is doing like a 100-mile journey on the Talaria MX5, bring my charger, bring the adapters with me, and then recharge it halfway through or maybe a third of the way through, and just track that journey just to show people what the real limits of these machines are. So once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.